8:38 and this vlog is already off to a great start because I definitely turned off my alarms this morning instead of snoozing them. So my class is at 9 and I was supposed to get up at 7 to like not be frantically running about in the morning, because I decided not to go to practice this morning because I was very tired and not feeling great last night. So I wanted to sleep in a little bit, and that was a bad decision on my part because I am running very behind schedule right now. I haven't eaten breakfast. I didn't make my bed this morning because I was running so far behind, and I just like threw on my outfit for today. True life of a college student is turning off your alarms instead of snoozing them. Don't recommend. Make sure you always have backup alarm because this will happen for you. I'm just glad that I didn't sleep through my class like I did on Friday on accident. So. The first Vlogmas that you're officially in. Me? Because you popped up into the one with the hall formal. You went me.
No.
Yeah.
No, I was in the first one.
The very first one, but like first of like official December day.
Yeah.
Yay, going to Ivy.
Cause we gotta get stuff for sorority life.
We love bundling up and looking like trash.
Cause it's cold outside. Sorry,
Just normal cold.
It's cold.
It's cold
I'm
outside.
sorry.
Now it's not happening anymore. Made me sense. But basically this part of the building is under construction right now. So they're doing like new bathrooms and new rooms and everything. And they're doing some construction and it's really loud. And I'm trying to prepare a study guide for a test that I have on Friday because we don't have a final in that class, so that we just have our last test. Just trying to do my homework and it was really loud, but now it stopped, of course, the second I try to film it. Horrible. Hopefully you can hear it now, but it started back up again. This is what I have to deal with. Basement exploration. What's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. I'm too hungry. Oh, I almost ran into that table. I was not paying attention. Sadness. It's laundry time. I haven't done laundry since Thanksgiving break and a little bit before that, so we are thriving. So I thought I would take up the stairs because laundry room's in the basement and I live on the top floor, so I thought I would show how many stairs it takes for me to get up to my room. One of my loads of laundry just got done like super early, like 15 minutes before the rest of my laundry, and now I have to wait for the other two to open because I don't want to take up more than 3 washers, because usually a lot of people do their laundry even though there's open washers and everything. I just don't want to take them up, so now I'm gonna wait for another 12 minutes for my other 2 laundries to be done washers to be done, so I can do the rest of my laundry basket. That door. Fill out that washing machine. College washers break so easily. It is now 10:07. It's about 3 hours since I first started my laundry, and all of the dryers and washers were full, so I had to do multiple loads at different times. And we're hoping that my dryer is going to be done. We're like praying that my dryer is going to be done because one of my washers aired, so my towel is just soaking wet. I'm hoping it will be done. It's been in the dryer for 2 hours now, but I'm in the basement and let's go get the laundry.